Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stock. This is an exclusive multi-bagger recommendation video for the members. So please don't forget to watch the video till end, and I will explain you about the complete company fundamental, and it's a penny stock and it's having a good fundamental. So I'll explain you everything. The company name is Bhandari Hosiery Exports, and as you know that few days back the government of India approved the PLI scheme for the textile industry, and the major beneficiary will be the export business houses. So while we are coming on that way, the Bhandari Hosiery Export will be one of the major beneficiary of the PLI scheme, because the India's production is going to be increased. Since the government of India provide incentives based on the production, the India's production will get increased, and the export houses, main export houses will get the major beneficiary. So while on that way, while coming here, the Bhandari Hosiery Export Limited will be one of the major beneficiary, and it's an undervalued penny share. You can see here it is trading at 2.80, and you can see here today it closed very flat at 2.80, and the stock breakout is going to be happen. Our short term target for this stock will be somewhere around 5.75, and we expect that this will achieve in 3 months time. So after the Q2 result, we expect that the 5.75 will happen, because the breakout we expect soon, maybe within 15 to 20 days we expect the breakout, and the long term target for the stock is somewhere around 16.5 will be our long term target. So let us say that this target will be achieved within 1 to 2 years. This target will be achieved. So while we are coming back to the fundamental of the stock, the company is producing somewhere around 200 to 250 crore sale annually. You can see here the company is generating the sale of 225 to 250 crore sale is making every year, and it's a profitable company. Since past 5 years the company is generating profits only. You can see here 4 crore, 5 crore, 1 crore profit company is making. And while we are coming to the current market capitalization of the company, you will get surprised that it's a micro cap share. So the total market capitalization of the share is only 40 crore. The company potential itself is almost 6 to 7 times of the current value. It means almost 16 to 17 rupees per share the current potential will support. So while we are coming back to the balance sheet of the company, you can understand here the companies in 2017 the company was having 44 crore reserve was there, and it gradually every year it is getting increased, because the company is not paying any dividend. Company is adding all its profit to its reserve and surplus. You can see here every year the company is adding to its reserve. So it's a good sign, and the company is not having any major debit. And as I told you, the company is mainly concentrated on the export business, but the company is having its own manufacturing plant as well, the garment manufacturing plant as well in Punjab. So we will explain you everything. The company's current shareholding pattern, if you see, the company is maintained the same shareholding pattern of 25% since long time. There is no change in that. So it's also another good sign. And as I told you, it's a micro cap share. It's a nano cap. We cannot even say as micro cap, since it is 40 crore. It is nano cap share. So we cannot find this kind of companies at this price range. So you can see here current face value per share is 1, and current book value per share is 5.15, and total market capitalization of the share is 41 crore only. And I told you the company is having potential to reach up to around 250 to 260 crore. Potential is there, means company will support up to 16 to 17 level. The company's share price will support at the current situation. So on the coming years, entire valuation of the company will get changed as soon as the PLI scheme benefits are coming to the market, and their export business will grow. So we are talking about the current business, because we are not talking anything about the future, because I don't like to talk about the future, because anything may happen on the next year, because we doesn't know, because because the current fundamental, while we are considering the current fundamental, the company is an excellent company at this current range. It's a value buy and it's a penny share. And while we are coming back to the company's website, so before that, just let us see the today's trading. While we are coming to the BSE, almost 1.78 lakh shares are traded. Out of that, 90.69% taken delivery. You can see the delivery percentage. You can see here every quarter company is generating 43.77, total 225 crore sale, and company is generating always positive. That means company is a profitable company, and even if you see the quarterly sale itself is higher than its current market capitalization. So that itself denotes the company is undervalued, and the stock is listed in B group. It's available in both NSE and BSE. While we are coming back to the NSE, you can see here almost 1.88 lakh shares are traded, and out of that 70.14% taken delivery. It's a good sign. So from here onwards, almost you can see that somebody is accumulating the share, and since it is a nano cap share, any time the rally may happen, and we can expect the short term target will reach very soon. And also the current scenario in the textile industry also will support the companies like this. And while we are coming back to the company's website, you can see here Bhandari Hosiery Exports Private Limited. They are from Punjab. You can see the location of the company. And while we are coming back to their business, you can see here they have their own long textile manufacturing background and also specialized in the circular knitted manufacturing. And we are fully integrated textile company in India, focused on fashion supply of leading retailers and brand worldwide, because it's very clear that they are manufacturing their own product and also they are manufacturing for other brands also. So let us say there are different brands are available in the world, and many of them they doesn't have their own factory. So it is manufactured in some other places on some other manufacturing unit, and only the seal and stamp will be on their brand name. So similar thing only is happening here. They are manufacturing on others' brand name, and then they are exporting it, and they are taking the benefit of that. And maybe in coming years, maybe while the company is growing, maybe they will come up with their own brand. So let us see that. So, and we provide the customers with a comprehensive textile solution from the design and development to knitting, dyeing, finishing, and garmenting. So they provide their own design. They have their own design team. That means they have their own research and development division as well. Our broad range of offering, technical expertise, internal research, and state-of-art in-the-house manufacturing facility allow the customers to get their design solution as they need it. So it means they are having their R&D division, and also while they are manufacturing that, while they are taking order from overseas, they are taking. That means sometime what will happen, maybe for a large group of companies, they require some uniform. At that time, there will be some printing will be there. So they are doing their own design and they are submitting to them. As soon as it get approved, they are manufacturing on their brand name or whatever they require, the customer whatever they require in bulk. And if there is a new brand and they doesn't have their own manufacturing facility or they don't have their own R&D division, they will undertake the job on behalf of them and they will do it, including the R&D, and they will export it. So these are the major business. Maybe this business will grow in coming days while they are coming up with their own brand. Currently the company is profitable and the company is having huge export background, and this will support the company in coming days to come up with a better brand, or maybe they will be able to compete with the major textile companies in India. So we have to take on this way only. While we are recommending a stock, or while we are analyzing a stock, or while we are buying a stock, we have to think on this way. So currently the stock is value buy, or how we are going to be get benefited on future, on long run. Usually I am talking about the future growth of Indian stock market, and we have to be get benefited on that. So we should add the wealth creator stock in our portfolio, and always we should be risk resistant. So we should always take out our capital. Once we take out our capital, and if you are holding our profit means we don't have any tension at all. So recently if you see, all my recommendations are on that way only. So while we are coming back to the company's management, you can see Nitin Bhandari, Vikas Nair, Rajesh Kumar, Surinder Kumar Kapoor, Geeta Bella, all these are new faces I believe. Nitin Bhandari, the chairman, you can see how young he is. So he is having a great vision, and this vision will support our growth also. So we have to think on that way. So this company will perform on coming days. So please try to add Bhandari Hosiery Exports Ltd, and the company's script name you can see here, Bhandari, and currently it is trading at 2.80. It's a textile export and manufacturing company, and it's a nano cap share, and the company is having potential to trade up to 16 or 17 at the current price. So our short term target will be 5.75 and our long term target will be 16 to 17. So we expect the company will perform on coming days, and it's on almost in the breakout zone. So please don't dump all your money in single stock. So every week there will be a new multi-bagger stock. As soon as we book the profit or we take out the asset, so we will move to the another stock and we will hold the wealth creator stock. The profit percentage we will hold in the wealth creator stock for coming years to grow. So thank you very much for watching this video. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. So thank you very much.